Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing. But now let's get right in today's daily analysis on none other than Kaspa itself. So if you're enjoying these daily updates, guys, smash that like button for me. But let's get right into it. So again, guys, you're seeing quite a bit of red across the board right now for the broader market. Altcoins are, feeling the impact, and that is, what we've been discussing over the course of the last few days. And I've been telling you guys the significance of key levels. And as of now, Bitcoin did go below, and again, it shouldn't really be a surprise to any one of you because Bitcoin has gone down quite substantially. Hence, you are seeing altcoins, also down. But let's take a closer look and see what is happening with Kaspa specifically right now. So, as far as Kaspa's price is concerned right now, guys, Kaspa is down about 5.7% on the daily time frame. With the price currently sitting at 16 cents, we're down about 5.7% as mentioned in USD, and about 1% we're actually up in Bitcoin comparative. Market cap is just shy of $4 billion, so of course we're sitting below $4 billion right now, and the 24-hour trading volume is at 66.1 million. So as of now, as far as the bigger picture is concerned, Kaspa is not looking as bad as you guys might think. And of course, when I pull out the charts, I will show you as to why that's the case. Because we're pretty much ranging, almost at that $4 billion market valuation. But yeah, let's get further into this. Before I do that, as always, just a quick disclaimer. Anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So looking at the broader market on the weekly time frame, a lot of coins are actually starting to go back into the red, as you can see, which of course is being impacted due to Bitcoin dominance rising, as well as the price of Bitcoin actually seeing a pullback. So let's take a look at what's happening with Bitcoin dominance. If you're looking at Bitcoin dominance right now, Bitcoin dominance has actually retested that yearly high yesterday, which we spoke about, but has actually pulled down. So you should be actually happy at this fact. I know, of course, a lot of people are going to think, the market is red, why would we be happy? But you want to be happy when the price of Bitcoin, when the dominance index actually falls, when Bitcoin sees moves like this. And speaking about Bitcoin move, Bitcoin has seen a significant pullback towards the downside. And, dominance originally, does tend to go higher, but as of now, we actually haven't broken towards a new yearly high. We did retest it yesterday, but never actually managed to pop out of there. But still, it's on the verge of breaking out. So, in terms of, altcoins lagging behind, we could actually see that happening if dominance, picks traction up again. But dominance has gone down a little bit after retesting yearly high, which of course is a little good sign for altcoins, because if dominance went up to a yearly high, I think altcoins would have looked way worse compared to what we're looking at right now in the immediate short term. But let's take a closer look and see what is happening. So as far as Bitcoin price is concerned, I'm sure you guys know at this point why that $64,000 is that confirmation level for myself, which I've been talking to you guys about on a day-to-day basis. I've been speaking about that dominance, I've been speaking about that confirmation level at $64,000, and that's where I turned bullish. But not just retesting the 64, you need to see the price actually maintaining above that 64K range. And what I'm pretty much trying to show you guys is literally after that 64K, the fact that the price actually never managed to stay above here, you saw the price making its way back down, below that psychological support level of $60,000. So now the significance of that level. Right now, of course, we're below that psychological 60K. We're still in the 23.6 fib zone, but you guys know from previous updates how it's important to maintain the price within this range, because if it falls below it, 56,000 Bitcoin is on the table still, believe it or not. But let's take a look at what's happening with Kaspa right now. So a lot of people can come out and think that this might be unlucky. The timing for Kaspa could be unlucky because we had been seeing pretty much the entire month of August the price of Kaspa actually lagging behind the broader market. But we finally saw that breakout just on the 24th of August. We saw the price go up to that 17.8 cents mark, which we've been discussing, but again never managed to stay above there. And of course, now in return, the entire market actually the timing was not right. The entire market has seen over the course of the last 24 hours seen a little bit of a retracement, and you're seeing those gains being wiped out literally in a snap of a finger. So if you want to put this into perspective, Kaspa did drop about 10% from that 24th high that we set for ourselves. So Pretty much a lot of support though. We know the significance of this level. We did retest down to the 15.8 cents quite a bit, and again, a significant amount of support around that range. But if that support does not hold, a retest down to the 78.6 support line at the 15.32 cents is still a realistic target that you need to be looking out for right now, considering what's happening with Bitcoin specifically right now. Bitcoin is showing a lot of weakness right now. I believe it's due to some global tensions and of course manipulation at the same time. But a lot of people are ticked off. A lot of people are wondering, why is the bull market not starting to kick. We've seen pretty much 3 to 4 fake outs at this point. One back in July, one back in August as well. But you're not seeing that move that a lot of people are anticipating. So what's really going on? Are these massive institutions keeping the price of Bitcoin low on purpose? Whales trying to keep the price of Bitcoin low on purpose? Who knows? But as of now, that's the case, and it's just something that we need to keep in mind. But yeah, if we lose the support at the 15.7 cents for Kaspa, a retest at the 78.6 is a very realistic thing that you want to be looking out for. But the broader picture, as I've said to you guys before, if you look at it from the bigger picture standpoint, it's still in an upwards trajectory, believe it or not. But let me know down below what you guys think. Love each and every one of you guys. We'll see you tomorrow up in Crypto ZX, and peace out.